simple citrus salad dressing, and watermelon. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are making an easy summer salad. We are making a quick and refreshing watermelon salad. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Start by making the citrus salad dressing. In a blender, pour in olive oil, orange juice, the juice from half a lemon, and hot sauce. Also add salt and pepper. Take a moment to like and share this simple fruit salad recipe. Check out our channel for other fun summer meals. If you enjoy our recipes, subscribe and click on notifications so you know when we release new recipes. Process on high 30 seconds to 1 minute. Your dressing should look like this. Moving on to the salad, slice, remove rind from, and chop watermelon into cubes. Place watermelon into a serving dish. Slice red onion, top watermelon with onion. Chop fresh parsley, sprinkle parsley onto the watermelon and onion. What herbs or veggies would you add to this salad? Let us know by commenting below the video. Chop pitted black olives and add olives to the salad. Crumble blue cheese. Add blue cheese to the salad too. Also, drizzle on that delicious citrus salad dressing. Repeat the process by adding a second layer of each ingredient. Including the citrus dressing. Help support our channel by liking and sharing this recipe. Also, subscribe below for more delicious recipes. And like always, we hope you enjoy this refreshing fruit salad recipe. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.